and welcome. Today's video we are going to be talking about spoilers we are seeing for the May Boxycharm Base box. Let's go ahead and quick disclaimer if you are new here. Hi, hello, and welcome. My name's Rhonda, and over here we always embrace the hot mess because it's a judgment-free, drama-free, stress-free zone where we sit back, relax, chit-chat, talk about all things beauty, and remember, it all washes off. It's not that serious. So we keep it cute or put it on mute. Let's go ahead and jump on in talking about what sneak peek spoilers we are seeing for the May Boxycharm Base box. If you guys are curious about my top, it is from Fashion to Figure. I do believe it's still sold out. I don't know if they're gonna restock this or not, but I will link something similar down below, or at the very least I will make sure to link Fashion to Figure in my comment section for y'all. Make sure to use Rakuten if you do any shopping. And are you following my wow, that was not a sentence. Let's try that again, Rhonda. Coffee has not hit all the way, obviously. Anyways, are you following me over on my second channel, Hotmess Mama Vlogs? I do a lot of plus size curvy girl fashion hauls over there. Done a couple of the Fashion to Figure hauls, and I absolutely love their stuff. So make sure to check me out over there. We've got some plus size curvy girl swimsuit hauls coming up very soon. Some more Torrid, Shein, all the things over there on my vlog channel. Also make sure to give me a follow, please, over on Instagram. We're trying really hard to get that 10K swipey uppy option so I can link my videos for y'all over there. Thank you to everybody who has jumped over and given me a follow over on Instagram. I do greatly appreciate it. It's just at hotmessmomma4. We have lots of spoilers to talk about today. Y'all know I love to be over on Instagram and check out a bunch of different Instagram profiles, and as always, anything that I pull from Instagram, I always leave their handle listed at the top, as well as let you all know who they are or why can't I form words? Handle. Okay, anywho. Boxy Sneak Peek is where I'm pulling this one from, okay? Wow, the struggle is ridiculously real today. Happy Monday. That's when I'm filming this. Let's see if I can do this. So, starting right off with what we see so far is, of course, the choices. Now, when it comes to the Boxycharm Base box, this is a box that is monthly. It's $25 a month plus tax, free shipping, and you do get to customize one of the items in the box. Now, what our choices were this month for May, which, by the way, choice is closed, but it was the Tarte, and this is the Shape Tape glow wand. Sorry, there was actually a choice on shades as well, so you had either that choice or the Murad Skincare City Skin Overnight Detox Moisturizer. I'll be honest with y'all, with my paid for base box, the Murad is what I ended up choosing, just only because I have my Tatcha and Moonlight. This is the Pearl, and I have my Rhodile, which both are like under eye skin brighteners. So I just went ahead and went with the Murad because I love skincare, and I don't know, that was that. I reached for those two products and I figured I was set for now. So those are the first two items we are seeing as obviously items that we know about. Moving on to some other items that we are seeing in this post is by Cab Cosmetics. This is a Day Plus Night eyeshadow palette, and I believe this is like an 18 shade eyeshadow palette. It reminded me so much of the Huda Beauty Desert Dust palette. I'm honestly hoping to receive this in my base box because I'm very, very curious about the eyeshadow formula. I love eyeshadows, which, by the way, if you're curious as to what is on my eyes today, it is the Natasha Denona Trio Chrome palette. I did actually film a video on how I created this eye look for y'all, so it will be coming up very soon. Anyways, I'm very curious about this palette. Next, what we are seeing in here is by Ciate London. This is the Bamboo Bronzer. Now, we've seen Ciate London as well as the Cab Cosmetics in our prior boxes, but Cab Cosmetics eyeshadow palette is going to be very new, and we've only seen like their lip kits before, lip oils, but the Ciate London, I don't think we've ever seen their bronzers in our box. I know we've seen like their eyeshadow palettes, their highlighters. I'm trying to think if it was Ipsy that we had their primer maybe not Boxy. I can't remember. But so we're seeing the bronzer. Of course, I think that now's the time for a bronzer. We're going into summer, so definitely curious about that. That would be another item that I would like to see in my base box. That's the nice thing about going over like these spoilers of like picking and choosing what I'd like to see. Plus, don't forget, Boxy pop-up is coming May 17th when we make our choices, so some of these items may be available in Boxy pop-up. Okay, sorry, I'm all over the place. Another item we are seeing is the Ciate Linden Shadow Flip Liquid Eyeshadow. Now this one I don't know anything about. The only thing I'm curious about is I had their lipstick flip, and man, you really had to push your lips together to get it to flip. So I don't really know how does that work. Have y'all tried that for your eyeshadow? Like, how much pressure are you going to have to apply? You know what I mean? Maybe sometimes I should just keep things in my brain, but sometimes I just let them fall out. That's the one thing my husband says that I do. That he's like, wow, that thought just like poof right into your head and right out your mouth. You didn't like filter it at all. And I'm like, whoops, sorry. So anyways, I'm kind of curious about that. Next is the Dry Bar Hot Toddy Heat Protectant Mist. Really want to try this. Again, wouldn't it be so nice if you could customize your entire box? I mean, I guess that's the nice thing about add-ons and pop-up is you can pretty much do that. This is a heat protectant, which if you put any heat to your hair, you need to have a heat protectant on there. I use multiples because you can never be too cautious, you know? So I would like to try this, and I love the fact that we are seeing that in a base box, like for me personally, because I feel like this is something that we would see typically like in the Luxe box. So I'm happy to see this down into the base box. The next item we are seeing is by First Aid Beauty. This is a Hello Fab Coconut Skin Smoothing Priming Moisturizer. This is a really good moisturizer. I have tried it in the past, so if you have any type of sensitive skin, First Aid Beauty is always great. However, I don't know how it works. If you have any allergies to coconut, you may have an issue with that. Moving on, we are seeing the Beekman 1802 Dewy Eye Illuminating Depuffing Eye Serum. I don't know anything about this one. If you guys have tried this brand out before, definitely let us know down below. Some other items is the I Love Skin Ink, My Daily Dose of Uplift. Now, we've seen this brand in the past for other serums that they have. This one, I don't know, and I don't think I actually received their product in any of my past boxes, so I don't really know how this one works. So of course, let us know down below if you have tried any of these items out. Next, we are seeing the Lavish brushes, which we've seen their brush set before in a past base box, and I actually really liked them. I thought they were really fun. They were real vibrant and neon, if they're the ones I'm thinking of. This is another 5-piece set. I want to say it had like a retail value of like $30 when I looked it up, and it's always an easy, great way to grow your brush collection by a subscription box. You know, Haley and I say that all the time. We're like a broken record. By the way, speaking of Haley, we haven't been able to do our Ipsy versus Ipsy for April. Her box is still not here. Is that not crazy? Have y'all received yours yet? I know that this video is probably not going to go up to like May 4th, but it's still not here, and it's May 3rd that I'm filming this, and I was like, wow. But I think everybody's just running behind. I think shipping is just kind of wonky right now. Next, we're seeing Hey Honey Come Clean. This is a mineral face scrub of some kind. I've not tried this, but I have tried Hey Honey in the past, and I have to say, I do like some of their products. Next, we have the Hand Skin Cosmetics All Natural Multi-Stick. Again, this is something I'm not very familiar with. I do like the fact that we do see new brands coming into Boxycharm. Sophia Mabel Shop. Again, this is one I don't know. This is the All Natural Hydrating Hybrid. So this is, again, a newer brand, in my opinion, to Boxycharm, or new to me. Next, we're seeing the Beauty Creations Flawless Stay Hydrating Primer. Moving on, I know nothing about that whatsoever, other than I think we've seen their eyeshadow palettes in our boxes, which always kind of surprises me because we have so many high-end things that's definitely more of a drugstore type of price, but I guess it equals out because majority of the boxes are always expensive things in there. So if we do get something affordable. I'm not too mad about it, because if you think about my April box, I got the Kinder Glow, the Kinder Cosmetics highlighter palette. It has a retail value of $15 and I flippin' love it. I love this highlighter palette. So as much as I go on about Boxy made me bougie, they still give me affordable things in there, here and there, and it's like little hidden gems. Next we have the Tint Beauty Haze Smoky Eye Pencil. Again, this is new to me, know nothing about the brand, but it's a great way to try out products. And then last we have the Trestique Brow Pencil, which we've seen their mascaras a lot and a lot of different subscriptions. So, and I think like their contour has been in the past, and lipsticks. So I'm happy to see an eyebrow pencil personally, because I like getting eyebrow pencils in my boxes. I feel like we get so many liners that I need more brow pencils. Anyways, so I think what I'm going to do is just go ahead and film a sneak peek spoiler for all of the premium choices. I was going to put them both in here, but because I've already made this video pretty long, I'm going to just go ahead and film a separate video for you all, talking to you guys about what we're seeing as far as I saw on Instagram, what's coming for the premium box spoiler. So don't forget, May 17th is when you're going to jump into your account and make your choices for June, which is crazy, my birthday month. We're already getting there. And afterwards you're gonna get to shop Boxy pop-up of heavenly amazing goodness, up to 80% off of everything. I get really excited about that. I have to admit my bank account does not, but I get so many products. Like right now I'm gonna start shopping Christmas stocking gifts and things like that, because you just can't beat the deals, you know. You just can't beat them. So what are some of the items you are looking forward to and hoping are in Boxy pop-up? Because you guys know I'm going to talk about that Rose Plus Quartz Conditioner, because I can't get enough of that. I am scared to death that it's going to like run out and no longer be available at Boxy pop-up. So every time I see it available, I pick up like 2, because we use it non-stop in my house. I absolutely love that. Another thing that I was wanting to pick up, what was it? I can't remember off the, oh, the prenup. Have you guys tried the IGK prenup? I picked that up in add-ons like not in April, I think it was in March. That is amazing. It was, I think, $12, $9 or something. The IGK prenup, if you need that extra hydration to your hair, you only use it once or twice a week. That stuff's amazing. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and end the video so I can move into the next video. I hope y'all enjoyed it. Don't forget to check me out on my second channel, Hotmess Mama Vlogs, for some plus size curvy girl fashion hauls. Check me out over on Instagram. I am everywhere, even sometimes on TikTok. So join me over there, and until next time, I hope y'all have a wonderful, beautiful, and blessed day. Kisses from Kentucky. Mwah! Bye.